Hey guys, Willie and Murphy here. Welcome back to the channel, welcome to another video on the Clio. So, I parked my car here outside the house and there's a little road going up and down, and there's parking here for the local school. Now, lovely people that park here have caught my door. So, I'm missing an indicator and a bit of a scratch on the side, which hopefully will polish out. So I've ordered, again from eBay, cheap as possible, for £8.40. I'm actually happy for this today. So typically, you'll have a cover over this, which will sit like so. This one here hasn't. You can see obviously the fitment of it, so it just puts in. So I think if I get my fingers on the top of it, I should be able to pull it out. Hopefully be able to force it from the vehicle. Top doesn't work, let's try the bottom. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. There we go. That's out. Twist this bulb. Come out. Put the new one in, you can see it's got a little slit for the bulb. And the bulb has got a little notch in it here as well. Clean the bulb off. I might not be able to do this holding the camera, but it goes in and twists. No, I couldn't do it holding the camera. So twist 90 degrees, and then it sits in its housing. And then you can see clips in and locates into place. So I'm going to locate the top first. Get the bracket, it's located, and then push it in. And then we have one replaced indicator. Quite possibly the easiest to fix. So it is placed, but it's much nicer. Another step ready to have the vehicle up for sale. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this content, as always, hit that thumbs up button. Comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. This is another quick fix done. On to the next. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.